guys, today we are going to be playing a new scary game called Escape the Cruise Ship Horror Obby. And this is a new scary obby that just came out, and I'm really excited to hear about it. So let's play. Oh, help us. That looks creepy. Behind you. It looks creepy. Why is his head upside down? Like, ew. Ew, why is his body? Down to there. Turn back now. Run. Oh, what is that? Oh no, that is creepy. No, I forgot to click the button. No, okay, fine, I'll die. That was creepy. Guys, that was super creepy. Like, guys, you have to play this new scary obby. It's so creepy, but it's very new. Oh, wait, Why do I keep hearing that noise? Like, oh, why do I see blood on the docks? Oh, that seems scary. Whoa, checkpoint. What? The heck? Why is there whales inside the octopus's stomach? Okay. Oh, dang. Oh, I thought I was supposed to jump on the grass though. Octopus legs. Why is there octopus legs that I need to jump on? Why do I hear that noise? Ew. Stars. Careful. Ew. Who? Ew, disgusting. Oh, I asked the companions, I didn't know. I think these are hats or cones or something. I made it! Okay guys, this was such a fun obby. And oh, you see? Guys, this was such a fun obby. And I really hope you enjoyed this obby. It was so much fun to play with you guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!